then what is the corresponding finite automata? That is diagram. Okay. Now, what is regular expression? Anybody? Hello. What is regular expression? Okay. Please use your mic whenever I ask the questions. Tell me at least one string accepted by this finite automata. Do you hear me? So I am making you to use your mic from your side. Please mute the mic. Hello.
Yes, sir.
From your side, make mute. Okay. So everybody got the option to use mic?
Option on.
Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Jayanti.
Yes.
Okay. So you can use your mic.
Sir, AB star can be A to A B to the power n.
Okay. So whenever you are not talking, please mute your mic. Now I'm going back, sharing my desktop. Okay. Here the string accepted by this machine. What is the smallest string here? A. Yes or no? And one more, because from initial we go to final on A. And one more, A for B. One more, A for B, double B. One more, AB cube. One more, AB for 4. AB for 5. Like this, can you write all the strings accepted by this machine? Hello? Can you write all the strings?
Yes, sir.
Do you hear me? Can you write all the strings accepted by this machine? No,
Yes, sir.
because it accepts infinite. It accepts
Infinite, yes.
infinite. So like AB power 5, AB power 6, so on, infinite. So we cannot write the strings, all the strings accepted by this machine. But we can give a symbolic representation, of all these strings. How? This automata accepts the strings A followed by 0 or more bits, simply B star. It accepts all the strings A followed by any number of bits. This symbolic representation is called as regular expression. So what is regular expression? A regular expression is a symbolic representation or an algebraic representation of the set of strings. These are what? Set of strings which are accepted by the given finite automata. Okay, I repeat. A regular expression is a symbolic representation of set of all strings accepted by the given finite automata. Do you understand? So next. Okay. If you take sigma, what is sigma? Input alphabet. Simply set of inputs. Sigma. Every element of sigma. Here sigma is A comma B. Every element that is A is a regular expression. Every element of sigma is a regular expression. A is a regular expression, B is a regular expression, and any combination over this input alphabet is a regular expression. That means A square is a regular expression, A cube is a regular expression, and A power 4, that is A 4A's, like this, any number of A's. Like that, any number of B's, B square, B cube, B power 4, B power 5, these are all regular expression. Any combination over A and B, suppose A, B, again A, B, like this is a regular expression. So, any combination, this is A or B, A or B, A or B, A or B, A or B. Any combination over input alphabet is a regular expression. So, I repeat, every element of input alphabet and any combination of input alphabet is a regular expression. At the same time, epsilon epsilon is a regular expression, this one, and epsilon representation is like this, and phi is also a regular expression. Phi is this one, empty. So any every element and any combination and epsilon and also phi are regular expressions. Okay. Now, if R1 and R2 are the two regular expressions, actually, I didn't say the properties of regular languages. The properties of regular language I will tell you at the end of this topic, this chapter. Okay. So here, if R1 and R2 are the two regular expressions, then their union R1 plus R2, their concatenation, their subtraction, their closure, their complement, all these are also regular expressions. So, what is concatenation, what is complement, these we will see at the time of properties of regular languages. Okay, so just leave this. Now come to regular set. What is regular? Regular set. Now here, if you go back, this is the regular expression. This is the symbolic representation of the strings accepted by the given this finite automaton. I repeat, this is the regular expression, simply symbolic repetition of the strings accepted by the given this finite automaton. Now, what are those strings? These are the strings. So this regular expression, whatever this regular expression represents, the strings, those are these. That is a, comma ab, comma ab square, comma abq. So the strings represented by this regular expression, if we write in set form, is called a regular set. Okay. So simply, what is regular set? The set of all strings. Set of all strings represented by the regular expression is called regular set. See, this is AB star. So AB star represents A, AB square, AB cube, so on. So I repeat, the set of all strings represented by the regular expression is called regular set. Okay, now we see the relation and some examples between regular expression and regular set. This is regular expression and this is corresponding regular set. Now, epsilon is a regular expression, and what are the strings that regular expression epsilon can give? Epsilon will give only one string. What is that? That is epsilon only. So the strings represented by this regular expression is only epsilon. Okay. Next, A is a regular expression. Every input symbol is a regular expression. So A is a regular expression. So what are the strings that can give given by this regular expression? That is only A. So the set we can represent by A is only A. Now, A plus B is a regular expression. Now, what are the strings that can be represented by this A plus B? One is A and the other one is B. That's it. These are the strings represented by this expression. Now AB is a expression. What are the strings that can be represented by this AB? Only AB. Don't say A comma B comma AB. The regular expression AB can give you only the string AB, not single A, not single B. It is A followed by B. A star. What is the meaning of A star? That is epsilon. Any number of A's, including 0. So epsilon, 0 number of A's, that is A power 0, epsilon, A power 1, A power 2, A power 3, A power 4, A power 5, so on, infinite. So the strings that can be represented by this expression are these. So this is the corresponding regular set of for this expression. Okay. Now A plus B whole star. What is the meaning of A plus B whole star? A plus B whole star means any combination over A and B. Any combination over A and B. This gives epsilon alone, only A's, that is A square, A cube, so on, and only B's, B square, B cube, so on, and any combination over A and B. Suppose A, B, B, or B, A, B, or B, B, A, B, 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 whatever. So all the strings, whatever we can write using the combination A and B, that is epsilon, only A's, only B's, any combination of A and B. So that was all we cannot represent it in the set form. So that is why simply I wrote like this. Okay. So this is these are the sets strings represented by this regular expression. Okay. I have given you some examples of regular expressions and for corresponding regular sets. Now I'll give you one question. I'll give you regular sets. You write regular expression for all this. Okay. These are the some regular sets. For this, you just write the corresponding regular expressions. Do you want to copy this? Hello? Have you copied this? Please tell me. You want to copy this? Already copied. You hear me? Hello? Okay. Now, these are the questions. For these regular sets, you write the regular expression. Done. So what the answer for
A star, B star.
no? No. Anyone else? Others? Anybody? What are the strings in this regular expression? Sorry, regular set. A, B, and B, A. A, B, and B, A. There are four. Yeah, that's good.
Let be
So A, B plus B, A. That's it. That's it. Okay. You understand? Next. For the second one, what are the strings here? Epsilon plus AB plus BA. That's it. Okay, what is the meaning of x plus y plus z, the regular expression? The meaning of this regular expression is it gives x, it gives y, it gives z. That is the meaning of this expression. Okay? Now, here I have given you A star is including epsilon, A square, A cube, so on. So if I give epsilon A square, A cube, so on, you can write it as A star. But here I didn't give you epsilon. Except epsilon, I wrote everything. So this is A plus. So guys, A plus means A plus is A, A square, A cube, A power 4, A power 5, so on. So in this we don't take epsilon. So here we have A, here we have A, here we have A. From all these I am taking A common. If I take A common from A if I take A common, epsilon will be there. Okay, in mathematics if we take A plus B, suppose A plus AB is there. If I take A common, so what will we write? A into 1 plus B. This is mathematics. Okay, but in case of regular strings, in A, from A if we take A common, epsilon is there. From 2A's if you take 1A, there will be 1A. From 3A's if you take 1A, there will be 2A's. From 4A's if you take, then 3A's. Okay, like this. So what is this epsilon A square, A cube? This whole is A star. And before that, A. So this is A square, A cube, so on. You can write it as A plus A plus. You can write it as A plus or A followed by A star, or actually here we took A left side common. If we write A right side common, then it will be A star A. Okay, na? Now tell me the answer for the next question. Hello, for the next one. Okay, anybody? A square, A power 4, A power 6, A power
star.
8. A, फिर से बोल,
In bracket A whole bracket.
फिर से बोल. No. Oh, A square whole plus. No.
Sir,
No.
A2 plus.
No. A2 plus, sir. Okay, means double A whole plus.
No, sir, A to the power 2 plus. A to the power 2 plus.
Okay,
We
okay.
yes, sir, sir. Double A plus.
That's good. Okay, guys. This is A square. This is A square whole square. Can I write like this? This is A square whole cube. This is A square whole power 4. Next will be A square whole power 5, like this. Now, if I take this as x, this is A square whole square, that is x square. This is A square whole cube, x cube. A square whole power 4, that is x power 4. A square whole power x power 5, x power 6, so on. And what is x square, x cube, so on? It is simply x plus. Okay, now what is x actually? We took A square as x, therefore equal to double A whole plus. समझ गए ना? So double A whole plus. Hello guys, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now from all these, here we have A square. If I take A square common from A square epsilon, from A power 4 if I take A square, then A square will be. From A power 6 if I take A square, A power 4. And from A power 8, A power 6, A power 8, like that. Okay. So what is this actually? This whole is double A whole star. And before the double A. So the same you can write as double A followed by double A whole star. Or the double A, if I take right side common, then this will be double A whole star followed by double A. Okay? Piyush, Madan. Okay. You got it? Now, so we have seen what is regular expression, what is regular set. I'll give you some questions. Okay, you take. Construct a regular expression for the following languages over set A, comma B. Are you following? Hello. Take the question. This is the question. Construct a regular expression for the following language over set A, comma B. Now, first one, all strings starting with A. Okay, copy these questions. All strings starting with A. You just copy one. After that, you can give the answers. All strings starting with A, first one. Next one, all strings ending with B. Next, all strings starting with A and ending with B. Start with A and ending with B. Next, having first and last numbers are different. Having first and last numbers. This A and ending with B. This is first and last numbers are different. Means if start with A, should end with B. Or if start with B, should end with A. Next, having first and last numbers are same. Having first and last numbers are same. Next, having even A's. Having even number of A's. Next, having odd number of A's. Having even number of A's, odd number of A's. Having length exactly 3. Having length exactly 3. Having length at least 3. Next question, at least 3. Having length at most 3. So here 3 questions, length exactly 3, at least 3, at most 3. Next, length divisible by 3. Next, having equal number of A's and B's. Having equal number of A's and B's. Okay, na? Guys, copied or not? Hello, copy. Okay, now, so you do this. This is the first question. All strings starting with A. What is the answer for the first question?
AB plus
No.
A star.
No. Do you understand question, guys?
is A plus
A plus B. in bracket.
No. Samiksha ji, Samiksha, Miss, you hear me? Okay. A followed by A plus B whole star. Very good. That's good. Okay, guys, listen. All strings starting with A means it can be any combinations of A and B, but the first symbol must be A. That is A. After that, it can be A or B, A or B, A or B, A or B. It can be any combination of A and B of any length. So, simply the first must be A, then any combinations of A and B. Any combination of A and B can be written as A plus B whole star, but the first symbol must be A. Similarly, ending with B. The first can be any, means it can be any combination of A and B, but should end with B. That is A plus B. Any combination means any combination of A and B means A plus B whole star ending with B. Do you understand? So A plus B whole star or the B. Now starting with A. After that, any combination of A and B and ending with B. So what is it? What is this? This is A followed by any combination of A and B whole star ending with B. That's good. Okay, guys, are you following? Any doubt? Next. Having first and last symbols are different. Means if it is starting with A, then any combination of A and B then should end with B. Or if it is starting with B, then any combination of A and B then should end with A. Samajh there? Guys, first and last symbols are different. Okay. Now, tell me the answer for fifth question.
A followed by A plus A followed by A plus B star A plus
Yeah.
B followed by A plus B star B.
Only or anything else? Hello, hero. I'm asking you only. Only that or anything else? Shamik ji? Jayanti Purohit. And Smita Ashwale. Samiksha. It is for fourth question, the last answer. So no one has given the perfect answer for the fifth question. Can anybody give the answer for the fifth question? The first and last numbers are same. Whether you are revising my notes or not, I don't understand. No, I don't know. Earlier, okay, long ago, we did this question in construction of DFAs. Consider a minimal DFA over set A, comma B that acts as all strings starting with A, first question ending with B, second question, next, first and last numbers are different, next, first and last numbers are same. Okay, these kind of questions we have done earlier. Okay, now look at this. First and last numbers are same means if first symbol is A, then last should be A. Okay, and if the first symbol is B and the last also should be B. Okay, if first is A, then in between it can be any combination of A and B, but must end with A. Similarly, if first is B, then any combination of A and B should end with B. So it's good. But is this perfect answer? Now tell me, in this, what is the first symbol in this? Can you see this one? In this, what is the first symbol? Hello, use your mic, boss. Huh? In this, first symbol is A. And in this, what is the last symbol? Last symbol also A. So, only single A is also valid. And single A, can I get this? Can I get from any of these expressions? If I take A and okay, this A, and from this I will take epsilon, and again this A will be there. So minimum string you will get 2 A's, but where is single A? So single A. Similarly, single B are also right strings. So the expression having first and last numbers are same means this one. A plus B plus A followed by this. Okay, this are many of you have given this expression. It's good, but only mistake from anywhere is you didn't give A and B single A and single B. Right? समझ गए ना? Hello. Samisha, epsilon won't be there. Epsilon and epsilon no symbol is there. Okay. Next, having even number of A's.
In bracket A whole plus.
इसे बोल.
In bracket A then plus.
No. I want this string, mister. In this string, how many A's are present? 2 A's, even. So, can I get this string, mister? And can I get this whole string? Can I get this whole string? Can I get this string? These are all valid strings because in all these strings the A's are even. So even number of A's. Who will say? Who will give the A followed by AAB whole star? Not exactly, Mr. Teja. I want the string ABA. This is valid. How do you get ABA from your expression, Mr. Teja? B star, A star, AB star plus B star. Not Samiksha. Not exactly correct. Okay. Look at this. B star. Guys, is this string valid or invalid? Is this string valid or invalid? In this triple B, how many A's are present? 0 A's means even number. Okay. So, I want only B's. Yes, from this you will get only B's. Epsilon you get, single B you will get, B square you will get, B cube, B power 4, so on. So only B's, B star will give. Okay. Now, B star followed by A. It is invalid because single A. Now this is also invalid because single A. Now this is valid 2 A's. And after A, it can end with B's also. So B star, this whole expression is having 2 A's. So what I do, I will make this as whole star. Now look at this. If I take this as X, okay, X, and its star is there, X star. What is the meaning of X star? Epsilon, X, X square, X cube, X power 4, so on. Okay, X, X square, X cube, so on. Here, what is X? This is X. If I write this one time, I will get 2 A's. If I write X square, means if I write this 2 times, AB star, again AB star, I will get 4 A's. If I write 3 times, 6 A's. If I write 4 times, 8 A's. So, I will get, if I write epsilon, means if I don't write this, then I will get 0 A's. This is for 0 A's, this is for 2 A's, this is for 4 A's, this is for 6 A's, 8 A's, like that. So here, why should I write this bracket here? Instead of the bracket here, if I write this bracket outside, then is this also valid or any mistake? Or this and previous both are right? Here, I tell you. I want only this. Okay, if I write the bracket like this, then this will become x. Okay, this will become x star. What is x star? Epsilon. Epsilon means you don't get anything. X means this one. B star A, B star A, B star. I want only B's. Okay, I want 3 B's. From 3 B's you can get from this. But this A and this A also will be there. So every time A's will be there, but I don't get only B's. So for this reason, we must write this bracket in here. If I write this bracket here, then I want only B's. So what will happen if okay, I want only B's. So from B star you take only B's. I guess say 1 B or 2 B's or 3 B's, and from this you take epsilon, then you will get only B's. So this is a perfect answer for having even number of A's. If anybody has any doubt, you please ask me. Any doubt? Hello?
Sir, can you repeat
Why I
it
wrote this
again?
bracket?
Hello?
Yeah.
Sir, can you repeat it again?
Yes, I will do. One second, I will come 1 minute. Hello.
Yes.
Here, this is A. For by A of you can get any number of A's, 0 or more A's. Then again A. So this is A, first A and second A. In between you can take any number of B's or 0 B's. A after there can be 0 B's or any number of B's. That is B star. From B star you can take 0 or more B's. And whole star. So this whole I am taking as X star. What is the meaning of, suppose if I take this is X and whole star is there. What is X star? Epsilon, X, X square, X cube, so on. This is X star. Okay. Epsilon means if I write this is X. Na? Epsilon means I don't get A. X. What is X here? A B star, A B star. So, and before that this B star is there. Okay. Now, here 1A, 2A's. So, how A before you take any number of B's, A after you take 0 or more B's, again A, again ending with 0 or more B's. So, you are getting 2A's. If I write X, 2 times, this is X, again X, A, B star, A, B star. So, here these 2A's and this 2A's, total 4A's. And in bit example, I want A, B, B, A, B, A, B. A, I want this one. So A, from this A, and from this 2 B's, okay, we got, and from this is A, we got this. From this B star, I'll take B, and this A here, and from this I will take this B, and this is A, right, we got, and from this epsilon. So we are getting. So like this, triple X means if you write this 3 times, you will get 6 A's. Okay. So like that, as long any time X you take X any number of times. If you take 3 times, there will be 6 A's. If you take 4 times, 8 A's. You take 5 times, 10 A's, like that. And A before There can be any number of b's. I wrote b star. Why I wrote this bracket here instead of outside? Because I want only b's. If I want only b's, from this I will take epsilon, and from this b star I will get only b's. That is the reason I wrote this bracket outside. If I write this, if I write this bracket outside, we don't get the only b's. That is the reason I wrote inside. Okay. So one thing I can say, guys, online everything cannot be explained perfectly. Even though technology improves, however, whatever the extent that technology goes, uh, online means offline. The student in the classroom teaching on the board and student and master interaction, and then eye catching, looking at the students, and you can see me and you can ask me the doubts directly. Definitely, we cannot satisfy that much level through online. Everything cannot be explained properly. You understand? Hello, are you there, guys? Okay, now, okay, this is the answer, no doubt. I'll give you one more. I will tell you how this is correct. Just you copy this one. In future, I will tell you how this is correct for even number of A's. This is the best answer for even number of A's. B plus AB star A whole star. B plus AB star A whole star. This is for even number of A's. This is this and also this one. Both are correct. So copy these two. Okay. Now, odd number of A's. Guys, look at this. B star A, B star A, B star whole star. Okay. Samiksha, you're asking for is this valid for even number of A's? Of course, it is valid. But instead of that, plus B star, you wrote plus B star extra. Here, what did you write? You wrote like this. B star, B star, A, B star, A, B star, whole star. And this won't give only B's. So that is the reason you wrote like this. Yes, perfect. But, okay, it's good. Exactly. But compared to this one, what is the difference here and here? Only the bracket here. Instead of writing the bracket inside, we are getting this also. Okay, no problem. It is correct. But the best one is this one. This is 100% right. Whatever you wrote, that is perfect. You got it, Samiksha? Okay. Now, we are doing odd number of A's. Hello guys, this is for even number of A's. This and this both are same. B star, bracket A B star, whole star. For even number of A's, if we add one A, suppose I took 20 A's, 20 A's plus this one A will become 21. If I take 5 A's if I take 6 A's from this, and 6 A's and plus this A will be 7 odd. So A, then it can end with B's also. That is the reason this total is the per odd number of A's. Okay, na? Next, similarly, like this one, this expression. This gives even number of A's. For this, we will add one more A. Or 3 plus A B star A whole star. This is for even A's. Followed by 1A. That is, it gives odd. And it can end with B's. Okay, copy this. Next, having exactly length 3. Is good. Length exactly 3. It's good. Samiksha. So the length means here this is length 1, length 2, length 3. The first symbol can be what? Either A or B. And second symbol can be A or B. Third symbol can be A or B. So this is the expression for length exactly 3. This whole. Okay. Next, at least 3. What is the meaning of length at least 3? Length minimum 3 can be more than that. So 3 or more. So guys, this is length 1. This is for length 2. This is for length 3. So 3 is guarantee. If you want more, yes, from this we can take. Okay, this is for length at least 3. The same you can write like this also. Instead of this one, okay, we can reduce somewhat. This is for length 1. This is for length 2. This is for length 3. Whole plus. Plus means minimum one length, or you can go for more also. Okay, this is. Next, at most 3 means the length maximum 3. The length can be 0, length can be 1, length can be 2, length can be 3. So length 0 or length 1 or length 2 or length 3. That is length 0. That is epsilon. Length 1. This is for length 1. Length 2 means first can be A or B. Second can be A or B. Or means plus. Length can be 3. Length can be 1. This is 1. This is length 2. This is for length 3. Okay? Guys, this is for length 0. This is for length 1. Or this is for length 2. Or means this is for length 3. Okay? You got it? This is the expression for length at most 3. Means 0 to 3. Can anybody give the better expression than this one? Or different expression for the same question? Can anybody give that different? Oh, very good. Samiksha. Excellent. This one. Samiksha Sindhu. Have you taken the coaching anywhere or is this completed earlier for this? Can you use your mic? Samiksha ji, do you hear me? It is disabled. Now you can use.
Yes, sir.
Okay, how did you say this one?
Sir, I have tried the similar question for length at most 2. When we when we multiply both the brackets, we get the
Okay,
all the valued string. That is why I tried for similar thing for at most 3.
very good, very good. Good. Okay, then, okay. Guys, this is for epsilon plus A plus B. What does it mean? You can take epsilon or you can take A or you can take B. Okay, followed by epsilon plus A plus B. Again, epsilon plus A plus B. Guys, I want length is 0. I take epsilon from here epsilon, from here epsilon. Okay, length will be 0. I want length 1. From this, either A or B I will take from this, and from this epsilon and from this epsilon. I want length 2. I take A or B from here, A or B from here, then epsilon from here, length 2. I want length 3. A or B from here, A or B from here, A or B from here. Length will be 3. I want length 4. Impossible. Because this is A or B, A or B, A or B. Only 3 you can get. From length 0 to, you will get maximum 3. So this is the expression. And this also right. And compared to this one, this is somewhat looks good. Okay. Now, length divisible by 3. Length divisible by 3 means length can be 0 or length can be 3, length can be 6, length can be 9, length can be 12, like that. Okay. This is length 1. It's good. Good. Okay. This is length 1. This is length 2. And this is length 3. If I take whole star, what is, suppose if I consider this is x whole star, x star, what is the meaning of x star? That is epsilon, length 0. X means this whole will give you 3 length, x square. This whole, if I write 2 times, length will be 3, length will be 6. If I write this whole 3 times, then length will be 9, like this. Okay. Having equal number of A's and B's. Having equal number of A's and B's. Guys, tell me the answer for this. Samiksha, Teja, Satik, Jayanti. Anybody? Please. Imanshu. The expression for the strings having equal number of A's and B's. Piyush, not correct. Because Samiksha and Piyush, you both wrote same AB whole star. This means epsilon AB, AB 2 times, AB 3 times, AB 4 times. No doubt it will give equal number of A's and B's only. But it don't give all the strings of equal number of A's and B's. Example, I want this string. How do you get? Or I want this string. How do you get? Which is having equal number of A's and B's. You understand? So, impossible. You don't get this string. A square B cube A. Here 3 A's and 3 B's. So, your expression will give equal number of A's and B's, no doubt. But your expression don't give all the strings of equal number of A's and B's. Okay, AB plus BA whole star. Okay, now I want this same string. How do you get the same string from AB plus BA whole star? Samiksha? Oh, sorry, Satik Ghosh. Satik Ghosh, you wrote this AB plus BA whole star. Means X plus Y whole star. What is this is X and this is Y. What is the meaning of X plus Y whole star? You can take epsilon, or you can take only X, or you can take only Y, or you can take any combination of X and Y. You just tell me how do you get this string from AB and BA. You don't get. Okay na? So anyone else? Do you all attended for the topic deciding regular or not? Samiksha, did you attend for deciding a language is regular or not? How to decide a language is regular or not?
No, sir, I missed the topic.
This one is regular, not regular. This almost we have done 40. Yeah, we did 42 questions. I gave you some this conclusion, no relation, or regular, relation finite, regular, relation infinite. For how many classes you have missed? How many classes you have missed, Samiksha?
I cannot tell exactly. I missed in between parts. Like कुछ क्लासेस के बीच का पोर्शन मिस कर दी.
So ये
इंटरनेट कनेक्टिविटी.
ये सब क्लास को मिस हो गया, पूरा क्लास को. No, this part, regular or not. You can see na this one.
This time, I was there.
You are there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you know how to decide it or not. Example, this is not regular because A power M, B power N, here powers are different, no relation. But when you come to this part, M is greater than N, that is number of A's should be greater than number of B's. So relation is there, and relation is infinite, not regular. Okay, do you know this one?
Yes, sir.
Then why don't you answer this question? Guys, who will say the answer for this? You are not following the class. See, the timings will be at your convenience. So some of you are not attending in the morning at 8 to 10. So you have some other classes. That is the reason, based on your friend's request yesterday, and we have this. Dependently, we have shifted the class from morning to evening 5:30 to 7:30. Even though this time is not good, I can change the timings at your convenience. But please attend the class regularly. Okay, if you don't come regularly, how can you understand? If you are interested, come regularly. See, one day the strength is 10 students today, and tomorrow 15 students, and day after tomorrow only 2 students. So how can I teach? If every day 2 students are coming, okay, I will be happy. For those 2 students, I can teach them. But today is 2 and tomorrow is 20 and a day after tomorrow is 10. So don't do like this. Just you be regular. You will understand. Okay. Now, Smita Ashway is good. Can't define regular expression. You told you have a message. Why? Why don't you define? Do you have the okay, it's good. Because of relation A equal to B. It's good, guys. Here, equal number of A's and B's. A's and B's must be equal. There is a relation. So, how many strings you can write having equal number of A's and B's? There will be infinite relation here, and it is infinite. Relation infinite is not regular. Okay. Here equal number of A's and B's. There is a relation between A's and B's. And that relation is infinite, because suppose having equal number of A's and B's and the length is less than or equal to 10. So definitely having length from 0 to 10, the strings having equal number of A's and B's, if you write, they will be definitely finite, means countable. Then this will be regular. We can write somehow expression. This will be regular. But whereas this condition is not given, only the regular expression for all the strings having equal number of A's and B's, relation infinite, this is not regular, because we cannot construct a finite automata. When we cannot construct a finite automata, it is not regular. And regular expression is for regular languages only. When this is not regular, we cannot construct a regular expression. It is not regular. Okay, it is not regular means no regular expression. The regular expression for only the regular languages. It is not regular. Therefore, no regular expression. What, Samisha? Can't you say this one?
So, as you said that if we define the length of string, for example 10, so we
I
can
didn't give it. I didn't give.
What, sir?
I didn't give the length here.
No, sir. If we put the constant of length, then regular expression would be possible.
Yeah, possible. Depends on the length. Whereas the previously W less than or equal to 10, I gave you the modulus 10. So it will be, yes, possible. Automata is possible. So based on that also, expression will be definitely. When the automata is there, for that automata, definitely expression will be there. Okay. And that part we will see. Automata to expression, expression to automata, next we will see. Okay, guys? Do you understand this point, or do you have any doubts? Shall I go forward?
Oh.
Okay. So these are the identities. You must remember these identities. These are the formulas. These will be very much useful for constructing the regular expression for a given finite automata. Okay. So remember, just keep this in your mind. Phi is equal to 0 in decimal representation, but don't say, if anybody asks what is phi, don't say 0. Okay. And what is epsilon, don't say 1. Just keep this in your mind, that epsilon is equal to 1 and phi is equal to 0. But never say that what is phi, so don't say 0. Okay. So in decimal representation, if we add 0 to any number, 0 plus 10 is 10, 0 plus 20 is 20, 0 plus 25 is 25, like that. So 5 plus r is r. The same r plus 5 means 0 plus x is equal to x plus 0. Like that. 0 plus, so 5 plus r is r, the same r plus 5. And 0 into anything is 0. Similarly, 5 followed by r is 5. Similarly, r followed by 5 is also 5. Okay. Next, 1 plus x. 1 plus x. There is no simplification for 1 plus x. There is no simplification for 1 plus y. But whereas 1 into x will be x, 1 into y will be y, 1 into z will be z. Like that. Epsilon plus r. There is no simplification for epsilon plus r. Epsilon plus r is r plus epsilon. That's it. But whereas epsilon followed by r is r. Epsilon followed by r is r. The same r followed by epsilon is also r. Next, r plus r. Don't say 2r. What is the meaning of x plus y? What is the meaning of the expression x plus y? This means you take x and you take y. That's it. Then what is the meaning of r plus r? You take this r or you take this r. Anyway, you will get r only. That is the reason r plus r is r only. Don't say 2r. Next, epsilon star means epsilon star. What is x star? What is x star? X star is epsilon, x, x square, x cube, so on. And in epsilon, in x place, if you write epsilon, then epsilon, comma epsilon, comma epsilon, epsilon, comma epsilon, 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 like this. So whole you will get epsilon only. Similarly, 5 star, 5 star. In x place, if I write 5, that is epsilon, comma 5, 5, 5, 5, 2 times 5, 5, 5. This whole will be 5 and you will be left epsilon. So epsilon star is epsilon and 5 star is also epsilon. Okay. Next, r star followed by r star is r star only. R star followed by r star is r star only. What is r star? Epsilon r square r cube, so on. Followed by again, what is this r star? Epsilon r square r cube. So if you concatenate this and this, you will get same epsilon r square r cube, so on, which is r star. And r star is r star is equal to r star r, or simply you can say r plus, which we have done this earlier. This a square a cube, so on. This is a plus or a star. So similarly, r star is r plus or simply r star r. Next, r star whole star. In matrices, we have one formula A transpose whole transpose. Matrices A transpose whole transpose is A. So don't compare this with that. R star whole star, don't say R. R star means epsilon r square r cube, so on. For this, if you write again this whole star, you will get r star only. Okay, r star whole star is r star only. Now guys, here I told you r star is r plus. For this r plus, if I add epsilon, then what will you get? If you add epsilon, you will get epsilon r square r cube r power 4, so on, which is r star. Okay. So similarly, epsilon plus r star is also r star. Now, here, if this and this are same, you can see this is P and this is also P. Okay. In this, you can see this is P and this is also P. P followed by QP whole star. This whole star is for only QP. Then you can shift the bracket to this. That is PQ whole star P. And similarly, P star plus Q star whole star, simply you can write as P plus Q whole star. The same, if it is P star Q star whole star, this also simply we can write as P plus Q whole star. Okay, either it is P star plus Q star whole star or P star Q star whole star, you can simply write as P plus Q whole star. And this is distributable. P plus Q whole followed by R is PR plus QR. If R is left side, R followed by P plus Q is RP plus RQ. Okay guys, just you copy all these. These are very important. Once you copy, just message me. Let's copy it. I will move the screen. Okay. Next. Guys, listen. Arden's theorem. If P and Q are two regular expressions, if P and Q are the two regular expressions, yes, and if P not equal to epsilon, this whatever the P you are taking, this P should not be epsilon. P can be something other than epsilon. And remember, P and Q even they should not be phi empty. Okay, P should not be epsilon and Q can be epsilon. That is the reason I didn't write Q not equal to epsilon. Q can be epsilon. I repeat, note down this. If P and Q are two regular expressions and if P not equal to epsilon, then the following equation in R is another regular expression. Okay, R is another regular expression. We don't know that, but we have the equation like this. Okay, R equal to Q plus RP. R, whatever here you can see, whatever R, this and this. Instead of RP, if the equation is like this, R equal to Q plus PR, then instead of RP, if R equal to Q plus PR, then this formula doesn't work. Okay, only it should be R equal to Q plus RP. So this R and this R must be the same. Okay, we know this P and this Q are given because here if P and Q are two regular expressions, okay, and this Q can be epsilon, whereas this P should not be epsilon. P should be something other than epsilon. Okay, so if any equation is like this, R equal to Q plus RP, then the solution for R is this Q, whatever this is. Here Q, this is Q, and this P, whatever we have. So this is the solution for R is Q followed by P star. This star is for only P. Okay, just copy this. Done. Now, copied.
Yes, sir.
Now, now here the main topics in this chapter is if a diagram is given, what is the expression? Okay, if a diagram is given, what is the expression to the diagram? So diagram to expression. After that, if an expression is given, what is the diagram? So diagram to expression, expression to diagram we will do. First we will do construction of regular expression for a given transition diagram. Take this heading. Construction of a regular expression. Construction of a regular expression for a given transition diagram. Okay. Copy this diagram. For the diagram, can anybody say what kind of strings this machine will accept?
Star AB star.
No, boss. In general, words tell me. What kind of string this machine will accept? Initially, as long as B comes, it will be in the initial only. It means as long as B comes, it don't accept. If one A comes, it is going to the final. After single A, as long as B comes, it will be accepted. But if the second A comes, it is coming to the non-final, initial. Okay. So here, as long as again B comes, it will be here. And again, third A comes, it is going to the final. And as long as B is coming, it will be here. And fourth A, it will be fifth A, it will be accepted. Sixth A, don't accept. Seventh A, it will be accepted. Please make your mute. Okay. Now, so like this, it will accept odd number of A's. One will be accepted. Second A, non-final. Third A, final. Fourth A, non-final. Fifth A, final. Sixth, non-final. Seventh, final. Like that. Wherever B comes, it will be there only. Okay. This machine accepts odd number of A's. For odd number of A's, already we have constructed the regular expression. No. This one. B plus AB star A whole star 40 star. Let us see whether we are getting the same or not. Now, here. So, how to construct a regular expression for a given trans diagram? Guys, here the states are Q0 and Q1. The final state is Q1. So, we must find the expression for the final state. Okay. Here, so before finding the regular expression, we write the equation for every state. The states are two, Q0 and Q1. So how to write the equation for every state? Now, first I will write the equation for Q0. Okay, how to write the equation for Q0? Just look at this Q0. For Q0, how many arrows reaching towards it? This is one from outside, this is second one, and this is third one. Okay. So there are three arrows reaching to Q0, reaching towards Q0. One is from outside, this is the second one from itself. This edge is coming from Q0 only, and this edge is coming from Q1. You understand? Okay. Now Q0 equation is what? Q0 equals this, as this is coming from outside, we write epsilon. Q0 is epsilon plus this is the other edge. This edge is coming from Q0 itself only. It is coming from the state Q0 with label B. So that is the reason Q0 B. Q0 equal to this is epsilon plus Q0 B. And this is from Q1. So this is coming from Q1 with label A. So plus Q1A. Q0 equal to epsilon plus Q0B plus Q1A. Do you understand this, guys? Hello? Do you understand this one? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'm writing the Q1 equation. For Q1, you just identify the arrows reaching towards it. This is one and this is second one. This is one and this is another one. First and second. Okay. So there are two edges reaching to Q1. One is from Q0 with label A. And one more is from Q1 with label B. So Q1 equal to, this is from Q0 with label A. That is the reason Q0A. And this is from Q1 with label B. So Q1 equal to Q0A plus Q1B. Such shall we write Q1 equal to Q1B plus Q0A? Of course, you can write anyway. The expression x plus y is same as y plus x. But the expression xy is not equal to yx. Okay. So x plus y. or y plus both are same. See, generally, if an expression is given, suppose I want to write x plus y plus z. In general, anyone will write x plus y plus z only, but no one will write z plus x plus y like this, or x plus z plus y like this. Okay, so we write the expressions in order. So whenever you are writing the equations, better you write in order. First we will get the q0, then q1. If one more is there, q2. So then plus q2 something. Suppose one more edge is reaching to q1. Suppose q2 and this is a. So q1 equal to, you can write plus q2a also. So here q0 a plus q1 b plus q2 a. If you write in the order of the states, that will be easy while simplifying the equations. Okay na? So I repeat guys, we here before constructing the regular expression for the given diagram, you must write the equations for every state. For this is q0, that is epsilon plus q0 b plus q1 a, and this is for q1, that is q0 a plus q1 b. Okay na? Now here we have the equations for every state, and here the final state is q1. So we must find the expression for the final state q1 in terms of a and b only. Of course, here we have the equation for q1, but it is in terms of q0 and q1. We must eliminate this. Okay. Now here we have the equations, two equations. One is for q0, the other one is for q1. Here while simplifying, this q0 is having 1 epsilon plus this. So we here for q0 we have 1, 2, 3. 3 terms on the right side. Whereas for q1 this is one expression plus this is second. One term plus this second term. So those are having 2 terms on the right side. So start with that. Of course you can take q0 this one and then q1 this one. But while simplifying the equation, you just start the expression which is having 2 terms. This is 1 and this is 2. Okay. Now take this one. I told you, if any Arden theorem, if an equation is like this, R equal to Q plus RP, whatever here on the left side, if these two are same, this is R and this, then the solution for the R is Q followed by P star. Okay, now look at this equation. Here, this is Q1. I am taking this as R. This Q0 A, this whole I am taking as Q plus Q1. See, this is Q1 and this is also Q1. This is Q1 and this is Q1. So this Q1 I took it as R. So this Q1 will be R and this is B, which is P. Okay. So this is Q plus R followed by P. R equal to Q plus RP. The solution is R equal to QP star. R equal to QP star. What is R here? R is Q1 followed by Q. What is Q? Q0 A is the Q. Followed by P. What is P? P is the B. So P star. That is B star. So Q1 equal to Q followed by P star, which is B star. Do you understand? This is the simplified expression for this equation. Now this is also not perfect because we want the expression for the final state Q1, and Q1 still it is having state Q0. Now go back to Q0. This is Q0. What is Q0? Epsilon plus Q0 B plus Q1A. Q0 equal to epsilon plus Q0 B plus Q1A. Whatever here, the same I wrote this. I didn't change anything. Now Q1. Here Q1 in Q1 place, here already we got something. That this something here I am substituting in Q1 place. So Q0 equal epsilon plus Q0 B plus Q1. Q1 is Q0 AB star followed by A. Now from this, in this equation, here we have Q0 and here also we have Q0. This Q0 I am taking common. Q0 I am taking common. So this if I take Q0 common from this will be B plus AB star A. B plus AB star A. Now look at this whole equation. Q0, I am taking this R. This epsilon is q. Q can be epsilon. Epsilon, this epsilon is q, and this is q naught, and this is also q naught. So this will be r. R equal to q plus r. This whole is the p. This whole will be p. R equal to r into p. What is the solution? R equal to q plus r into p. R equal to q plus r. R is q naught. Q naught. Q is epsilon. P is this one. So b plus ab star a is the p and its whole star, because the formula is p star. Now q naught equal to epsilon followed by this one. Epsilon followed by anything. Epsilon followed by r is r. At the same time, epsilon followed by r star. So epsilon followed by anything is the same. Epsilon followed by r star is r star. So epsilon followed by this will be this. Now we have the equation for q naught. Actually, what do we require? We require the solution for final state. What is the final state here? Q1. Q1 expression is what? Q naught AB star. So Q1 equal to Q naught AB star. Now what is Q naught? Just now we have, okay, this one. So this I substitute B plus AB star A whole star. This is Q naught followed by AB star. So this is the answer for the expression. This is the expression for the given finite automata. What is B plus AB star A whole star followed by AB star is the answer for the given finite automata. Okay, this is the same which we got earlier. I wrote. See. Look at this odd number of cases. Odd number of cases. B plus AB star whole star followed by AB star. B plus AB star whole star followed by AB star. Odd number of cases. The same we got. Oh. This one. B plus AB star whole star followed by AB star. Okay. So now copy this one. Does anyone has any doubt? If you have any doubt, I will repeat this one. So first, what is the diagram given? You write the equation for every state. From that, applying Arden's theorem, whatever the wherever two terms on the right side, you apply for that and go on by simplifying. So here Q1, first I simplify this one. This I have substituted in this one, and then I got the Q naught, and again in Q1 I substitute this. It's simple. Okay. First time it may be for you it looks big, but once you get the practice, it is easy. Okay. Copy this one. Diagram already copied, huh? Okay. So take this one. Next. Here in Q1 place, you have substituted this one. So this is the answer.
Excuse me, sir.
Hmm.
So here we got both the regular expression, like for even number of A's also and for odd number of A's also. At Q0 level we got for even number of A's, and at Qn we got for odd number of A's. But the finite automata is for only odd number of A's.
What is the final state, ma'am?
Q1.
Then we require for only final state. So final state is Q1. Whatever the final state, for that final state only you have to write. And this is the answer for the final state. Suppose Q0 is also final state. Suppose only Q0 is the final state. Then what is the expression for final state Q0? The expression for Q0 is this one. Then this will be the answer if Q0 is the final state.
Okay.
Do you understand my point? In this diagram, if Q0 is given as final state, then we will find the expression for Q0 only. But here Q1 is the final state. That is the reason this is Q1. In Q0 place, we have substituted this one and we got this answer. Suppose both are final states. Suppose in the diagram, if two final states or three final states are there, suppose in the diagram Q0 and also Q1 are the both are the final states, then you find the expression for Q0, you find the expression for Q1, then the final answer is Q0 plus Q1. If Q0, Q1, Q2, all these three are the final states, then the final answer will be Q0 plus Q1 plus Q2. समझ गया? Do you understand?
I got it.
Okay. Now guys, look at this. You try this one. Look at this diagram. Here it accepts what kind of strings this machine will accept?
Number of A's.
Even number of A's. Okay? Okay, you just try. Draw that, copy the diagram and you do. Don't copy these equations, you do yourself. Copy only the diagram. Don't copy the below parts, the equations. What is the answer? Okay. Already you know the answer. So look at this. For Q0, there are three edges. One is from outside, that is epsilon. One is from Q0 with B, so Q0 B. And one is from Q1, that is plus Q1A. And for Q1, two edges. One is from Q0 with A and one is from Q1 with B. So Q1 equal to Q0A plus Q1B. And these are the equations. Now, here Q1 is having two terms on the right side. R, this is R equal to, this whole is Q plus R into P. R equal to Q plus R into P. That is R equal to QP star. Means Q1 equal to Q0 A followed by B star. This one. This Q1 we will substitute in this place. So that is Q naught equal to epsilon plus Q naught B plus Q1A. The same equation I wrote here. Now in Q1 place we substitute this Q naught AB star. So in Q1 place I substitute Q naught AB star. From these two we can take Q naught common. If I take Q naught common, so this B plus AB star A will be. Now this whole equation R equal to Q plus R into this is P. R equal to Q plus RP. That is R equal to Q P star. P is this one. So epsilon for anything is the same. B plus AB star A whole star. And what is the final state? Q naught is the final state. And this is the answer for final state. B plus AB star A whole star. Which is for equal even number of years. Even number of years. See, even number of years. This is B plus AB star A whole star. Okay, B plus AB star A whole star is the even number of years. That is the same we got here. B plus AB star A whole star. Okay, na? Just copy this one. Samiksha, we got both a regular expression, even number of A and odd number of A. In the same, can you write the same, consider that automatic which accepts both even and odd? What does it mean? Both even and odd. If a,
Both the steps in Q1 will be final.
then what does it mean simply? In general, tell me in general, in speaking language, means in terms, tell me in sentence form, what is the language having both even number of A's and odd number of A's?
Any number of A will be present.
Any number of A's, na?
Yes, sir.
Any number of A's and any number of B's. Already there is no condition on number of B's.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Then what will be the answer? The answer will be this one. This is the answer. This is the automata. And what is the answer for this one? This is A plus 2 whole star. Okay.
Yes, sir.
But what did I give in this question? I gave you only one is final state. That is initially the final state. Here. Whereas in this question, the second is the final state. This clearly accepts odd number of years. And this clearly accepts even number of years. Both questions are different. Okay, na? But everything, the equations are exactly the same. Okay, now guys, take this one. Here I gave you two final states. So find the expression for Q0, find the expression for Q1. The result is Q0 plus Q1. Find the expression for find the expression for Q0 and Q1. The result is Q0 plus Q1. That result you just tell me. After this, we will sign off. Okay. Tell me guys, pass. So tomorrow also 5:30 or 5 o'clock? Oh, 5:30. Satik. Okay. 5:30 to 7:30. Can anyone say the answer for this? Samiksha ji.
Yes.
Answer.
answer is 0 star 1 1 star.
No. Okay.
0 1 1 star.
No. Listen. No. Okay. For Q naught, there are into Q naught. One is from outside, that is epsilon. One is from Q naught with 0. So Q naught with epsilon plus Q naught 0. Okay now? Okay. If I take this equation, this is R equal to Q plus R into P. In place R equal to QP star. R is Q naught. QP star. Epsilon followed by 0 star. Epsilon followed by 0 star. Epsilon followed by 0 star. Epsilon followed by anything is the same. So Q naught is 0 star. Do you understand? R equal to Q plus RP, R equal to QP star, epsilon 0 star is 0 star. Now we got the expression for Q naught. Just leave it. What is Q1? For Q1 state, what are the edges reaching? One is this one, the other one is this one. One is from Q naught with 1. So Q1 equal to Q naught 1. And the second one is Q1 from Q1 with 1. So Q1 1. Q1 equal to Q naught 1 plus Q1 1. Here I wrote. Now, this is also R, this is R, this whole is Q plus R into P. R equal to Q plus RP. In place R equal to QP star. R equal to Q1 equal to Q. This is Q. Q naught 1. This is P. 1. 1 is P. 1 star. Q. This is Q followed by this is P star. R equal to QP star. And what is Q naught? We got here. Q naught is 0 star. I have substituted in Q naught place 0 star. So Q1 equal to 0 star 1 1 star. And Q naught equal to 0 star. What is the result? And of course, here I have not used it. Anybody see the answer for this? Why I have not used Q2?
Because Q2 is a non-final state.
No, don't say like that. It's also non-final state. Have we not used Q1 or not? Who will say the answer? Okay. Q naught is the final, Q1 is the final.
So nothing is good.
Q naught is the final. This is the answer. Don't you have for that? That's it.
Okay.
That's it.
Q2 is the dead state. That is an identity. Okay. Now this is for Q naught and this is for Q1. The result is sum of the final states. Sum of the final states Q naught plus Q1. That is 0 star plus 0 star 1 1 star. In these two, in this expression, what we can take common? 0 star we can take common. If I take 0 star common from here, epsilon will be there. From here 0 star if I take common, 1 1 star. Epsilon plus RR star. Epsilon plus RR star. We have one formula. Epsilon plus RR star is R star. So epsilon plus 1 1 star is 1 star. 0 star 1 star is answer. Okay, just copy this one. Zero star 1 star is meta as well. You wrote 0 star plus 0 star 1 star, but you didn't equation. Copy this. So this is our final answer. 0 star, 1, 0 star, 1 star. Okay. It is given how to consider the expression. Now we see the reverse. That is, if regular expression is given, what is the diagram? Construction of a transition diagram for a given regular expression. Okay, this we will continue tomorrow. You understand, guys? Do you have any doubts?